Some gardeners are like plant encyclopedias. They remember the details of everything they've ever done. But most of us need a bit of a helping hand to remember the seeds we've sown, the treasures we've planted over the years, or even the friends who have given them to us. Hey, Kaylee, how you going?
Good.
What are you up to?
Well, I'm getting some rocks so we can make markers.
Markers for where?
For the garden, to mark the plants so we know what types there are.
That sounds like fun. Will we get into it?
Yes, let's go.
Yes.
You can make labels out of icicle sticks, but they won't last that long. So today, we're going to create a rocking alternative.
Now, one of the good things, and you picked that out there, a thing to look for in the rocks is nice flat ones.
Because when you paint, you want the flat ones, but if you don't have the flat ones, it could be harder to paint like this one.
So that's a good one. We also need some acrylic paint, the white paint, which is what we put on the bottom if we want to write on it, because then you can see it clearly. And then we need colours.
Yes, because if we just outline it, what's the point of that? It's just dull.
So what sort of things do you want to do on them?
Well, we can make bugs and we can make vegetables and we can write names on it.
Which sort of vegetable would you be interested in doing?
I'd say radishes.
Radishes. Yeah, all right. You know, one of my favourite vegetables is snow peas. Help me find a sort of a pea-shaped one.
That's good for a radish. That might be good.
Yeah, that's good for a pea. All right, so I'll get rid of these.
Yep.
Let's start by getting one of our rocks each and putting the white paint on as the label.
Got
All right?
these.
I got mine, you got yours.
Yeah.
I love using paintbrushes because it slows you down.
And it also does calm you down when you get frustrated. So when you get frustrated, going outside and lying on the grass can really calm you down because nature does calm you when you hear those lovely birds.
Do you like that?
Yes.
How we dry it?
Let's use the hairdryer.
Yes.
Costa!
I use this every morning to do my hair.
That's good.
Is it dry, you reckon?
You can draw an outline in pencil. Then paint in the vegetable.
Here we go.
And then finally, you can outline it with a marker. I really like them.
Yeah, they look good. When you hold them back a bit more, you can sort of see that they do look like what
Mine
you want
looks
to.
like a radish, really good radish. Yours
It
looks
does.
like a cucumber.
You think so? And yeah, I'm pretty happy.
Me too.
I'm pretty happy. Are you happy?
Yeah, I love mine. It looks like a masterpiece. And yours does too. And now we just have to write the names. R, A, D. But you can still be creative. R,
Hold it there.
S, H. Radish.
So it's a double radish,
Yes, double red.
front and back.
And then we can start painting some more rocks.
So many rocks, not enough time. What are we going to do now?
Let's see. I'm gonna get into let's make bugs.
Bugs. All right, I'm in. What bug are you making?
I'm gonna make a orange ladybug.
Okay, I'm going to make a bee.
Cool.
But a different bee to this one. All will be revealed. Let's get started. Do you like insects?
Yes. They help us in many ways. Bees give us honey, and spiders, it's like they get away
Yeah.
some flies.
Yeah.
And wasps keep other animals from eating vegetables.
It's true. That's true. They're predators. Oh, that's a beautiful orange.
Yeah.
Look how bright it is. Can you imagine how that's going to look when it's in the garden? Like, you'll see it from miles away.
It'll be amazing.
Well, Kaylee,
Yeah.
a blue-banded bee and
A ladybug.
They look great.
Uh-huh. I like how your bee is like, I'm a blue bee, I'm a blue bee, I'm a blue bee. Let's get this so we can carry them in.
And I'll get these too.
And I'll get these. Let's go to the garden.
Okay. Here we go, Kaylee. This is a Banksia. I can write on here, Banksia, and the year?
2021.
2021. And who gave it to us?
Mum.
Mum. So we can write Mum, and then we'll always remember.
It is right back there.
That's it.
Uh-huh.
This one is another native plant, Kaylee. This is called a finger lime. So which marker do you want to put on this?
I say this one.
All right.
What is that?
This is the snow piece.
Cool. Put it down right here. Perfect.
This is a really fun way to do an important job in the garden, but I reckon you better make a few of them because every visitor you get is going to want to go home with one of them. What do you think, Kat?
They're a beautiful garden decoration, Costa.